What's up, guys? We got a Tucson. This is hybrid. Look how beautiful this car is inside. Very nice. We end up installing the dash cam for him. This is a 4-channel. It's got a camera here, it's got a camera here, and then it's got the camera in the middle. And then as far as the inside, for the back camera, that's the way it looks like in the back, with no wire showing anywhere. Okay. No wire showing anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. It's beautiful. You don't hear the motor, you don't hear anything. Dash cam should come up in a second. Okay. Yeah, it's got a 4-channel and it's got the app on the phone that you can retrieve the videos or whatnot. Just turn it off, the camera turns off. And as far as the back goes, you know, we ran the wire like this, no wire showing anywhere. We had to go through the rubber boot, that way you don't see anything. And this is the dash cam back here, okay? This is how a professional installation would look like. Not of this wire like this or nothing like that. Okay, this is what you pay to get it done right and not have any wires showing it. And anybody that looks at this installation will think that this thing came with the vehicle, okay? Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is hardwire, and we don't hook up to any USB or cigarette lighter or anything. Everything is hardwire. And we do have the hardwire kits in case you bought the camera and you forgot to get the hardwire kit. We do stock up on them. And we do have mobile service, so we come out and knock this thing out for you for the dash cam. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and I would say is a must to have a dash cam to drive these days out there. You need one for proof of video. Thank you for watching this video.